Hello everyone, I'm Farmer AD and I'm a farmer in the Philippines. This is my cornfield which we are using now as a demonstration for other farmers and village leaders to learn about how to have a cornfield without fowl infestation. So this is our zero fowl demo, and today it's a stormy day. Actually, it's a rainy day. We have a storm in the Philippines at the moment named Christine. So this is just to show you that zero foul is possible on your corn. This is BT corn, and we are using the technology to manage the fall armyworm. Again, this is Farmer AD from the Philippines and a member of the Global Farmer Network.